Welcome back. Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education has approved a proposal allowing use of simple calculators during bookkeeping and accountancy exam for standard 12th. The decision will come into force from current academic year. The bookkeeping and accountancy students will be able to use calculators at the class 12 board exams of March 2013.
The general body of the board has approved the decision of the academic and executive councils. Circular has been issued to schools regarding this decision. Decision of the board: calculator that is used in the examination must be a simple device with limited functions of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and percentage. Calculators on mobile phones will not be allowed. This will be applicable in case of students of bookkeeping and accountancy of the commerce stream and not vocational stream. There was a demand to allow simple and non-scientific calculators for physics and chemistry practicals, but the approvals were not granted to this proposal. Board has referred this matter to the university. Final decision regarding physics and chemistry will be taken after knowing views from the Goa University. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The polluted Wade Lake in Vasco has got a new look. The lake was recently beautified by the Daboli MLA Marvin Gudino. He said this beautification is the first phase of the lake. By the end of this year, the lake will be improvised further. Jinisha Banushali reports. This is the Wade Lake, which has been polluted by the people and sewage outlets left in the lake. During Twelveth festival, Ganesh idols are immersed in this lake. Faithfuls then take the polluted water as holy water. Prudent tried to know if the water was worth its holiness.
Do you think that giving a good look to the Wadam Lake or beautifying it is the permanent solution for getting it polluted again and again?
Well, at least one step has been taken, which is definitely one should congratulate the MLA over here. But yes, people should have the civic sense and they should take pride in maintaining whatever has been provided to them.
After being elected as the Daboli MLA, Marvin Gudino initiated to clean and beautify the lake. He said it was his humble contribution to the environment.
What do you want to say about the fact that many other MLAs delayed from giving it a great look like this?
I call this only the beginning and I call it my humble contribution to the environment.
ओके ती टोटल कित्याक माणसं इथून गणेश इथून उडयले म्हणटकूच लोक ते एक हें आसा एक आपल्या मनाचें एक हें आसा की ते लोक व्हरता घरा ते आपले मनाचें हें करता काय ना.
Wadam Lake, which has been considered as the heart of Vasco, which was not touched by any of the MLAs or the locals over here. Marvin Gudino took the initiative of beautifying it and taking that step to not only beautifying it but even making it a cure for all the localites. But do you think it is a permanent solution?
Reporter Surendra Madgaikar with Jinisha Banushali for Prudent. Saturday cars are in urgent need of a bus stand. At present, there is not a single bus shed in the area to protect the passengers from dust and sun. Locals have demanded that the BJP government should fulfill their demand as soon as possible.
This is Saturday constituency. Have a look. These passengers are waiting for a bus. But there is no bus stand or a bus shed. They have to wait in the hot sun. In addition to this, there is also dust and pollution. Moreover, it is not mandatory for a bus to stop at this spot. Sometimes the buses don't stop at all.
गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे आता बीजेपीचे सरकार जे आमचे आयिल्ले आहा त्या सरकाराकडे आमची एक पहिली पासून कितलीशी वर्सां जाली आमची एक कळकळीची विनंती आशिल्ली की हांगा एक बस स्टँड जावचो. हे आमचे 3 रस्ते हांगा एक जातात. हो एक पणजेच्यान येयला, हो एक आमचो बाजारांत गेला आनी हो दारबांदोड्या. हे तिनी लोक हांगा जेन्ना उबे रावपाक सोदतात तेन्ना तिनी रस्त्या कडेन वेगळे वेगळे. जेन्ना हांगा जर एक बारीकसो बस स्टँड जर जायत जाल्यार ह्या बस स्टँडार लोक एक कडेन येतले आनी जी बस जी येता तिनी वटच्यान ती एक जाग्यार उबी रावतली. तेन्ना आमी सरकारा कडेन मागतात की जातले बेगीन हांगा एक बस स्टँड करचो. तसोच लोकल आमचो MLA गणेश गांवकर ताकाय आमी सांगतात की हो बस स्टँड जातले बेगीन हांगा उबारचो.
Saturday MLA Ganesh Gaonkar is of the ruling BJP party. Locals say that as he is ruling, Gaonkar has to take some urgent steps for development. A reporter from Saturday, Mayur Naik.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.